Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about what is a directory, what are files in CS50, some basic commands of Linux, and also how loop functions works in Python. At last, we are going to discuss about standard in and standard out. What is a directory? Directories are nothing but they are used to store or arrange, segregate files on the system. In default, for each user a special home directory is created which contains typical folders like downloads, desktop, documents, etc. When we open a terminal by default, this directory is opened. In Linux, it is denoted by the shape tilde. And coming to the files. What are files? Files are nothing but they are stored information or data in the form of videos, music, text, and etc. And going to next, the first command is echo. Echo command is nothing but it is used to print the word that we given in. Here you can see how the echo command is running. For example, we can print echo. What we have to print, we have to put that in double quotes. Hello everyone. You can see echo prints the same input that we are given to the system. And the next command, echo hello and the symbol greater than. Here this command is nothing but echo is used to print the input, and the greater than symbol with next notes.txt. Notes.txt is nothing but is a file name. Now this command is used to create a file and add the input that we are given into the file. Let's run this code. You can see here a notes.txt is created. Notes.txt file is created. If we want to see what's inside that folder or file, cat command is used. So here we can see that hello, the word that we are given as input, is inside the file that we have created. And the next one. This command is nothing but in the previous one we can see only one single, but here the double greater than means it append. This command prints the output and adds it to the end of the file that we have created. If we want to see the if you want to see the elements in the file, cat command is used. You can see that the input that we are given is added into the file notes.py. And coming to the next command, wc. wc stands for word count. How it will be used, we can see. Now give him the input, echo hello, wc. Actually, wc command is used to see how many lines and how many words and number of bytes in the given input. You can see there are 3 numbers it has shown. The first number represent the number of lines that were presented in the input, and the second number represents the number of words that have given in the input, and the last one represents the number of bytes, 6. Next, coming to the loop program. Let's see one example of loop program. Open a file or create any file. Now num equals to int input enter a number. Here I am taking an example of while loop. While num less than or equals to 100, print num equals to num plus 1. Here, if we observe this Python program, if we are running a Python program or giving an input to Python program, we can see the 3 basic points. One is set, print and update. Set is nothing but setting a function or a number. Print is that printing the input. Update, here num equals to num plus 1 is update, that it updates the printed input till it reaches to the condition. Now let's run this code. Python notes.py. you can see it printed the numbers up to 100, and the update is num equals to num plus 1, right? I have given the input number 1 and it have printed up to the number 100 because I have set the value up to 100 only. This is how loop function works. And coming to next, what are standard in and standard out? Standard in, if we give an input to the user, it enters into the standard in, and it operates or progress the input by putting it in given function. It sends the answer or a reply to the standard out. The standard out gives the output to us. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.